Welcome to Melodies TV, Ghana's #1 social platform.
Media, at this particular point in time, there is nothing the Electoral Commission will do again that will ever surprise me. Woshe enyama eba the ACC Electoral Commission and sema ekoswa. I say every single day there's something they do. Odwen ho a wontia so beka say na sebi isi no like sebi impredias and sebi amu na ye adwuma wo ho. Because you see there are some things you need to be sensitive. Mama wati say adwuma na isi no wo ye no is a job about perception. Inti nyama bi wo ho a eni kwan say wo ye kra. Oya, a lot of people will have perception say we dear clearly it's here for in some way we can say election about to say ECA yes in for demonstration yes no Electoral Commission say no there one say the encrofo can woko break now woko breaker or be returning 19th of January. Aside everything encrofo wo akpafo any lolobi wo isi nankasa wa mo anto aba parliamentary nkrofo eka civil society for eka well meaning Ghanaians eka say was so ma wo to parliamentary no before 7th January because 7th January is that time no and the best way in a year president any say the parliament ni sanyama no isi and dreams ade ani ho isi si woko break from ende we be returning 19th January. By the time we be returning no, na ye see president no parliamentary no ye see obia ye di obia tena so wi nti de obe ye bia na inform ho. Hey. Dabio. So like the Electoral Commission of Ghana no. The Electoral Commission of Ghana no. Are they there for the interest of Ghanaians? Or they are just there for the interest of some specific group? Media, would you forget about the NDC for Nekani now? Media say, why easy? In Crofona or more voter region now, first or more a year, Odio Oti. One more to about for parliamentary, no. People are calling. You've not said anything about it. One more ahem for about bontin because I say I don't know to me preventing Crofon constituency. I don't know to me prevent you more from voting. Na enimu ya wasa okoma kwan na omo mu vote. ECC woko break. Electoral Commission si woko break. Menti bida. Woko break. Breaker close to a month, 30 days break. Hey. So we will be back as a Johnny na mu Johnny. Because social senior protest banansem bebre ACC na. So a lot of people are even speaking on this. In fact, civil societies aba bonten aba beka say we there. Once a yan nkrofo kan NDC for no more cancer civil societies for you come and nkrofo where you come isi nyama na omo ye no obi aye come na ohwe omo break ya wo mo cancer wo mo kono civil societies for aba bonten beka say we there abro so isi we there why ya ma ye hu say we there aden na say many. Just say, I'll read some comments. Now, before I read the comments, no, me read the issue, no, the statement I walk and say, woko break, no, me read na Ghana for wobia enye bi entiasie. I say, following the successful and peaceful conduct of the 2020 presidential and parliamentary elections, management has decided that the commission will break for Christmas and New Year on Wednesday, 23rd December 2020 and resume on Tuesday 19th January 2021. Notice now easy SNA no. You see we go break from ende 23rd. No more returning 19th January 2021 into we go break omu nye adwuma. After say the NDC for can say recollect the Chiman South nesa anyamane de masa mo kompe baby and akran ye mfimo. And a Franklin Kujo eba bontin betron sembi o say it looks as if it is not only the physical bodies of the EC commissioners that are going on leave. Their minds have gone ahead of them. Unbelievable. Was it I say EC no sabi enyo mo body pen no mo adwen na kra na eko leave ache no ntiase okuja to abla akwa kwasa wo so say last year EC there are no records say ya to abawie na ECC wo ko break e wo Ghana ha say na say the EC we ye no che say wotwe ho a won ntiase me de ne say me de ne say ejuma wo ho. A lot of people are calling, say, about no some specific places be yentoye and the Branabe some specific places be ye recollation and that Techiman South no. The EC has refused to recollate. NDC for the pink sheet about Bontia or Motrese, they won it. Now it was wrongly decided for the MPP, and I was wrongly declared for the MPP. EC one for our official result and bad bonte my young send this chantro MPP for so ye bi so mo say wo mo print sheet no we wo mo call poladomotry show so wo mo try print sheet of other constituencies ye bi so mo say the pink sheet for Techiman South we he no wo mo nya pink sheet for Techiman South not say kwa ye say on the pink sheet no NDC na ewi ni ye na so EC wakwa ko declare my MPP sisi ankrofo aka say recollate na yehu ne se ne kese MPP na ewi ni ya EC mpese obefi na fe ECC wo ba be ko break now what is happening like inti mebao we enya about politics so wa wo kan say Ghana and your peace ni nyama ni asem we pan wo dwen ho a is this a matter that can bring peace to this country? Or I don't know, what is the EC on a mission to set this country on fire? Yes, otu ejamwafo no na momoni nso wetunefo. Ye nyina ye bo NDC fo echi ende munjai violent protest ni nyama no. Ase wo bia ejai EC. Na nyama we a EC wo ye etiefo nyama na EC no wo ye no. Nyama we ye nyama bia edi asomdwe beba wo man mu. Eye very simple. Ghana mra ene se ni mra mu o. Eya na nkrofo ka ende mo nkokot sa asem we no enye se ni mra mu emra se EC se nkrofo bi susu se parliamentary what can you wie na se ento wo makoma so a you can recollate and I mean redeclare emra ema okwan into wo hwe banda MPP for esusu se sa banda seat no NDC for enwini into MPP for katre EC say EC one Samsung recollate EC Samsung recollate ye ema wo recollate ye Samsung ye no still NDC in a win ye and afa yeti as say NDC na win sa seat no ukota Techiman South NDC nso susu say EC declare ma MPP no entwa ye pink sheet che say ye ni ye win EC recollate and redeclare EC say dabi onye. Okay, Unya, show us your right figures. Show us your certified figures are a trace MPP ne win is a seat in so easy. And these are figures never bonting. MPP for also and show us their figures. We also trace on one winning ya. We say oh, there's a problem with the pink sheet of that particular constituency. In here for assembly, utinasa na wo dwen ho a the EC ye. Assembly pan utinasa na wo dwen ho de EC ye. One political party tells you recollate a constituency, they are not okay with it. You do it. The opposition also says there's a particular constituency we are also not okay because our pink sheet shows said this constituency no enye nipa kona wo declare ni na wini ye. Just recollate so we all know or say oh menye hey or say me ko break merit 19th January hey Eradi Yesu Christo. And by the time maybe on 19th January I'll be returning no. Not by that time because that Techiman South there no and then the Bema Yehu nipa kwa will winning majority no. It has Techiman South has been declared for the MPP. So MPP has 137 seats. NDC also has 137. So if it turns out that Techiman South indeed send your NDC for claiming say we pinch it on winning not Techiman South no e kwakwa dane NDC for there. NDC number of parliamentarians number better than 138. Now MPP for there na aswate better than 136. Now try say after 7th of January NDC and na ebia obepe Speaker of Parliament nesa anyama no. But akwa yes say. And you see, people are alleging, and what should the issue here? You have no choice than to accept the allegation and grow for edema issue. No, akwa say issue ne person or train. Na MPP 137 no, wamunya formina MP ne ka na 138. No MPP for far wamo Speaker of Parliament ne nyama because majority never Speaker of Parliament ne nyama. Na MPP first Speaker of Parliament ne nyama no. Inti no who is in obeba no na afianse ye beka se court nsensem na that time they choose Speaker of Parliament ni nya mewie. So why don't you solve this issue so that Ghana for yenya asumudwe say okay ya solve the issue we answer na obeko break awako. Why are you doing things like this? Easy. What is this? Obi throw assembly e wo social media. Nipa ko ne say the EC declared Techiman South for the MPP. The NDC has challenged that and insists they've won. For the purpose of transparency, it is only fair that the EC makes the collation sheet they base the declaration on publicly available for all to see. It should be that simple. Very simple. Oh. EC will declare my MPP. NDC about to have a tray in our pink sheets or no way we need. What's the EC? Dia would declare ma MPP no maye na yehu EC se mentem wasem. Hey, Ghana. Now, you see, aside all these things, I am happy because Embra Sanyama we near Kosono. Na Ghana for you can say the media are not are silent on this. CSOs are silent on it. Now, CSOs be ababontin awomo baba beka. Now, we more address the current post-election political impasse. Now, civil society organizations, they have a say in a lot of policies in this country. In some of them, was say at an emergency meeting of civil society organizations to assess the current post-election political impasse, we noted with concern a circular signed by the Deputy Chair, Corporate Services of the EC, Dr. Bosman E. Asari, suggesting that the Electoral Commission may be going on recess from the 23rd December 2020 to 19th January 2021. Given the current post-elections context and the matters arising, some of which might require their attention, we find it unacceptable that the EC should be shutting down at the critical moment the EC should be shutting down at this critical moment and without any clarification to the public or of alternative arrangements that have been put in place. We have also observed with concern that the minority party in parliament was barred from submitting a petition to the Electoral Commission today by security personnel, thereby preventing them from making their presentation. In light of the EC's response that it received the notice late and that it holds the institution of parliament in high regard, we kindly urge the minority to resubmit their petition and results it has to the EC as soon as possible for prompt action. We call on the EC to activate mechanisms for inclusive stakeholder dialogue as part of the electoral management process. We further call on the EC to review its decision on its intended one month long leave and assure Ghanaians that until these matters are resolved, the leadership of the commission will be on duty to discharge its responsibilities fully. Finally, we urge all political parties and Ghanaians to use peaceful means of protesting, dialogue, and legal means for resolving disagreements. So this is a letter. Civil society organizations in this country, the Institute for Democratic Governance, IDEC, we mo IDEC nkrofobia na ehya say protest na ehya say no mo ka tre Mahama say and the wonye say sisia no they've even understood say ejuma EC ne ye no the EC is not being fair at all. Ghana Integrity Institute, Center for Democratic Development, Media Foundation for West Africa, Civic Forum Initiative, and a Ghana Anti-Corruption Coalition. We more and civil society groups are. One more strong crata we are. One more edema easy said easy. Sisia de abroso. De wu ye die. Sisia abroso. Other civil societies are your margin say. Or say I'm reading trail. Or say other civil societies, me read it, or say, since the Ghanaian Electoral Commission refuses to show professionalism and institutional maturity, sections of the country's civil society movement will independently start tabulating and auditing the disputed Techiman South polls. Trust CEOs to do a better and more thorough job. In the other civil societies, I can say, as the East in the Nejuman, because will be a case particular constituency be ye winning ye ne kita we so say we declare away no dey say oh the certified result ne beba na ye hu post it and publish it and now recollate na ye hwe o se wonye into oman kasa ba be ye na Ghana fo hu say ne kre say ye NDC na winning ye because we are public information so oman kasa be ye say ne kre say NDC na winning and MPP na winning na Ghana will be hu ne kre no. I mean, I don't understand. What is this? Madam Jean Mensah, the way things are going, you see, we were all speaking against NDC for one protest, no, but the way things are going right now, people are even understanding and supporting NDC in their protest. And there all Jobia will be sending mommy. The Pakono says, "See, I watch the East in here, Krana, or no say the Pakono, he's willing to die." So NDC co protest be awarded in Hubeshim. A post I saw yesterday also on Facebook. Nipakone say Ghana, your independence in Krofu into Onusu. Now people are beginning to lay on my planet say because the East in here, it's as if it is looking glaringly clear. Says the NDC for Asemia the Krana won't feel more. What is all this?